Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Firefox browser on your T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find Firefox. Now select it, click on install. When it's done, click on open, and right here you can customize your browser. So pick a theme, then change a toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices, switch a privacy protection from standard to strict. You can also read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Right here the browser should work perfectly, so let's open any website. And as you can see, it's all fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.